Does INAV require compass to fly it? No, absolutely not. In case of INAV flight controller firmware, the compass, or actually the magnetometer, is required in only one case. And this is if you are using the multi-rotor drone and you want to use any of the GPS assisted mode. So yes, in case of the multi-rotor, if you want to have return to home and the position hold, your drone has to be equipped with the compass. But you don't need compass if you just want to fly with INAV on the drone. And by the way, even the altitude hold will work absolutely no problem without the compass. So flippity floppy racing, whatever you want, as long as it's not return to home or position hold, without compass works absolutely no problem. Compass provides one and only one value, and this is the current heading, or rather the information on where the north is. While the GPS itself provides the information about the position, it's not providing the information about the heading, or rather course over ground when stationary. This means that if based on the current and target position, the INAV computes that it has to move 10 meters east, it still has to know where the east is, because it can be forwards, backwards, left or right. And only when having the absolute information about the magnetic field, the INAV, or actually any other flight controller, can decide what to do with target and current position. And it's even better in case of the fixed-wing aircraft, because on those you don't need compass at all. In case of INAV fixed-wing airplanes, the compass is not really advised and not required. Because compass provides you with heading, not course over ground, this can lead to some problems. And because the GPS itself can provide the course of the ground while moving, and you rather do not really hold the position, like hold the position. In case of the airplanes, the GPS is all that you need to have everything, including loiter, return to home, landing, course hold, whatever you really want. And all that means that for the multi-rotors, it's useful for the return to home and the position hold, and for the airplanes, not required and not advised at all. And that's all. No requirement for the GPS assisted modes on the multi-rotors. You don't need compass at all. Now, watch this video. I'm Paweł Spychalski, thank you very much for watching, and like always, happy flying!